We are pleased to show you the 2016 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, traction control, steel wheels, backup camera, steering wheel controls, power steering, leather seats, tilt steering wheel, vinyl seats, wipers, variable speed intermittent. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback